Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugor sa reading natin. Five of Pentacles. The Hermit. The World. Temperance. Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and this Nine of Swords. Bottom card, Sun. So, meron tayong strong energies dito ng Virgo, Sagittarius, and Leo sign. So, itong taong to, maaaring ginost ka na niya in the past, or isa sa mga taong to, maaaring hindi lang isa, pero isa sa kanila ginost ka na. And then this person, dalawa tong taon to na gusto ng new beginning with you. Ayan, maaaring isang fresh, yung isa maaaring past person. Yung isa is a new person. Yung isa kasi, from the past, feeling siya guilty sa mga nangyari. Maaaring ginost ka nito or naglaho na lang siyang parang bula na hindi na nagpaalam. Tingnan natin. Magnet. Pero nararamdaman pa rin niya to Itong magnetic pull na to. So, this person will come back. And bonfire. Lighthouse, ground, tree, music. So, this person is talking to you through music. May nare-receive ka messages. Telepathic messages na naririnig mo sa mga songs. Coins, ayan. So, may pinili itong taon to na other person, a bonfire energy. Saglit lang yung naging relationship nila nung taong pinili niya. Kasi na-realize niya na hindi to pang matagalan Kasi yung energy na to ay sa lang siya saglit lang or panandalian lang. With these coins, kasi energy din kasi to ng karmic cycle. So, tingnan natin. Can I call you? Wow, gusto niya sorpresahin. Maring puntahan ka. I want to marry you someday. I want commitment. Can we talk? Money is important. I'm isolating myself to reflect. I need to achieve my goals and you're the fairest of them all. Mukhang nag-iisip-isip na to ng mga plano niya, ng mga gagawin niya. Kaya naka-hermit mode siya. Nag-isolate, nag-iisip-isip. Nag-iisip siya ng plano kung paano kayo makakapag-usap. Nurture by Archangel Gabriel. As you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now. So, maring for some of you, meron kayo, connected kayo, may anak, ganon, or in the future, maaaring magkaroon kayo ng anak nitong taon to. And maaaring in your past life na rin, kasi malalim na tong ugnayan niya with this tree and the ground, combination silang dalawa. Itong lighthouse kasi natin dito, it's like ano yan eh, ito yung gabay niya, pabalik sa'yo. Tingnan natin. More messages. My life is not as together as it seems. It was my fault, but I blamed you. I'm not available. I knew exactly what I was doing. I hope that you can forgive me one day. It's time for me to heal now. I don't react when people mention you, and I hide behind material things. I hid who I really am from you. So, ayan. For some of you, itong taong to is in this karmic cycle pa. Hindi pa siya available right now, pero nagpaplano na siya na mga gagawin niya in the future, in the very near future, to have this conversation na mag-usap ulit kayong dalawa. Letter C. Enye, M, L, S, O, R, E, sorry, SOR, A, F, and H. So, maring for some of you, iniinda nyo pa rin yung pain na ginawa nitong taong to. Tingnan natin sa blue card. Acceptance, marriage, and twin flame. So, maring for some of you, nagpakasal to sa karmic partner. And maring may anak na rin sila. For some of you. And let's see general signs and messages. Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Flower. Beach. Patience, please. So, kung maghihintay ka sa kanya, mahabang pasensya ang kailangan. April. Sarcastic. January. Scorpio. Eye contact. Capricorn. Sweet. Future lover. Mountain card. Number 5. Luzon. Aries. Birthmark. South PH. Beautiful. Trustworthy. Libra. Quiet person. And weird. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.